Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a Marq 21 Model 90 handle insert for a motor control bucket. This would also apply to any of the Siemens handles that have the plastic inserts that break often, Model 95, Model 95 Plus. Here we have a replacement insert. These ones are manufactured for Technitrol. This is a Marq 21 Model 90. You see the bucket on the workbench there. This one, the handle is broken. It's so bad that I don't even have all of the plastic for it. I'll show you removal and a couple of tips. So I've already removed a couple of the screws, or loosened. Just remove the two screws at the bottom of the breaker. Tilt up and to the side, you'll see that there's a hook there that it latches into, or a hole there that this will latch into. And once you get that removed, you'll see there are just two screws on the back that you have to remove. You can see the brass inserts for where those will screw into. Now once you get these removed, I highly recommend that you take this galvanized piece of steel and you clean it up with some kind of cleaner. Remove any dirt, grease, and dust, and also do the same on the steel portion of the handle assembly, because it gets a little bit sticky over time. Like right now there's some old grease on here and it's just really sticky. So that makes it work harder to slide the handle up and down. For this, I like to use mineral spirits, but you can use anything that's good at removing grease. Just wipe them down. And we're gonna apply some new grease. Just takes just the smallest little bit of grease, and it will make the handle operate so much more smoothly. You can see this is what's left of the original OEM handle. Clean off this while you've got it out here. Just make sure you get all that old grease out of there. Now you need to set the new handle insert. Make sure that you've got off towards the top. You're gonna just wanna hold this off to the side. You need to set that in there first. This interlock will actually help kind of hold it in place for a moment. Now take that handle that was just cleaned. Just take a little bit of grease. I'm using Mobile 28 here. We use that on a lot of stuff, but you could use petroleum jelly or just about any other kind of grease. It just needs to be a thin layer. You don't want too much. You don't want it starting to gather up big clumps at the end where it's sliding in and out. So you need to take the longer end there, slide that in first, all the way up to the top. Then it'll come down, and you can let the bottom slide in there. Now once you've got that in, you can go ahead and put the screws into the new handle insert. You just reuse the same screws for everything. Tighten them up. And then you can see that slides very nice and smooth. Now installation is just the opposite of removal. You need the You need this to go beneath this racking portion first, then tilt it up. You also need to make sure that you get the toggle lined up in that bracket. Everything else kind of snap right back into place. Once it lines up, you can put your screws in. Tighten those down. And test it out. You'll have to move your interlock off to the side. And there you have it. Works good as new now. You can see the padlock interlock, which we include, prevents it from operating. There you go. If you're looking for one, Technitrol has them brand new in stock. These are aftermarket manufactured parts. These are machined out of a solid piece of plastic, and these will not break over time like the originals do. These are not hollow body, very thin, brittle plastic. These are a much nicer design. 800-263-1170, or you can reach us at sales@technitrolinc.com.